Hello, my name is Terry Buterbach. Today we're going to make a little video on how to properly wrap your hands. I'm from Old School Boxing Gym in Colorado Springs, Colorado. First you get your first wrap here. You get to the loop part. It's going to say this side down on one side of the wrap. You're going to put that against the skin. Put the loop around your thumb. Go around the wrist a couple times. Go from there, around the thumb once, back to the wrist once. Around the knuckles once, keeping them real wide in between this knuckle and this knuckle so that you don't chafe when you go between the fingers. And we're gonna go around the wrist once again. In between each finger and around the wrist once each time. Get it down to where it's getting towards the end. You're gonna go once around the knuckles and end on the wrist. Just one wrapper on the wrist to end. And it should be good and solid around the wrist at the end of that. Now we're gonna go with wrap number 2. Same thing, find the loop, go around the wrist a couple times. This side down is against the skin once again. Around the thumb, back to the wrist. Around the knuckles, keeping them very wide. In between this knuckle and this knuckle. Go around the wrist. In between each finger, around the wrist once each time. Get it down to where it's almost at the end. Go around the knuckles once and end on the wrist just once around. Now it's good and solid.